Hey everyone, thank you very much for joining me today. I got a project going on and it requires silicone, aquarium silicone, marine silicone clear that will stay flexible. I watched a number of videos and hopefully my local store will have the correct one to get. If not, I'll just deal with what I get. I got stuck getting, this. It's just as good as anything else. It's flexible, should do the trick. I'm not going to cry over it because I have multiple uses for it. What I got, excellent flexibility. I got to make one of these in here. And this is the old Serpent 2. I'm going to do my best to work on this. So I should take that off to make a proper seal. Time to let it dry. Come back in the next day or two.